All right, hello everybody. I hope you all are staying safe and staying healthy. To try to keep in line with 3D modeling, I'm going to see if we can all download Autodesk Fusion. It's Fusion 360. It's pretty simple to download, and you really don't need a lot of space on your computer to do it. So, if you have any issues with that and with the download, after I show you how to do it, just shoot me an email, message me, any way you can get a hold of me. Um, about a week or so ago, I had everybody make their own Autodesk account, and you should have all done that. If you did not do that, then you need to go to Autodesk and create a free student account. Again, it's free. I think you now need to prove that you are a student, though, which is simple. All you need to do is take a picture of your student ID and upload it to the website, and you should be able to prove it with that information alone. So to download Fusion 360, the easiest way I get to Fusion is just to Google Autodesk Education. And it's the first link up here at Autodesk Student Community, free software and resources. All right, on here, there's a lot of different stuff that y'all have access to. The biggest thing right here is free software. So I want you to click on free software. And then really you can download any Autodesk software for free with the student account. Fusion 360 is the one that we're going to be doing because it does not require a lot of space on your computer. If you want, you can try to download Inventor, but it does require much more space on your computer. Right here is all the requirements that Inventor needs. You need at least 8 gigs of RAM. It recommends 20 gigs or more though, because it is a large software. So if you have access to that kind of stuff, that kind of computer, go ahead and download Inventor if you want to. I know some of you already have done that, but if not, don't worry about it. We're going to do a lot of work on Fusion 360 in these few weeks that we are off. So for Fusion 360, go to Get It Now Individual License. It's going to ask you to sign in or complete your profile. It should say sign in. I have an account, sign in, which you do all have an account. If not, go ahead, go to create an account. And again, just use your Avondale email because that's the easiest way to prove that you are a student. So go sign in. Sign in. Now, I already have Fusion downloaded on my computer. So mine's going to say that I've obtained access to this product already. And to download the software, just click here. Yours may say something a little bit different, but it should be able to go to download here. So if I would just click download here, and it would download Fusion 360, which is this software right here. So please try to do this as soon as possible. I'm going to try to start creating some lessons with Fusion 360 for Monday, basically for the remainder of the 2 weeks that we have left after tomorrow in our quarantine. So if you have any questions, have any issues with downloading this, please let me know. You can use that Google phone number that I gave everybody at the beginning of the week. Email me, Google Classroom, message me, anything like that.